Step into the realm of nature's splendor as we take you on a visual journey to Sheosar Lake. Nestled amidst the Deosai Plains of northern Pakistan, Sheosar Lake is a spectacle of crystal-clear waters set against a backdrop of snow-capped peaks. As the sun's rays dance upon the lake's surface, the surrounding meadows come alive with a riot of colors, painting a picture of serenity and beauty. The lake, with its reflective waters, mirrors the heavens, creating a surreal and dreamlike landscape. Join us in exploring this natural wonder and let the magic of Sheosar Lake captivate your soul.